Justin, we had the opening of the Sky Bar in Margate, but I've heard that you guys have had good news for tourism.
Yeah, Bev, it's been a long, hard slog, but we've had what they call a clean audit from the Auditor General, which is a very onerous process whereby government bodies like ourselves and municipalities have to go all through hoops and loops, particularly in terms of financial management and also performance, whereby they go through with a fine-tooth comb to make sure that you do what you said to do, what you say you're going to do, and also you've got to comply with the regulations, which are very, very precise. And we've heard from the Auditor General that we have now got a clean audit, which is a first for our organization. And it's a legacy of hard work done through our audit committee, inputs from our board, inputs from the other municipalities that are involved in the work that we do. So it's been very much a team effort, and hats off to my GM, Deborah Ludick, who's really been driving a lot of that process. So yeah, it's almost like getting the Oscars, but in terms of auditing the activities of a government or quasi-government department. We're a municipal entity, and certainly I'm sure that our parent, the Ugu District Municipality, are going to be proud of what we've done. But it's not just the work of one person, it's the collective work of a number of people, as I said, from the audit committee, our board in particular, and also other municipalities and people who have input. So yes, it's a major plus. Very few from last year's results do get that accolade, and we're very proud to have done that on behalf of the South Coast, and let's hope we can keep doing the same going forward.
Well, Justin, you've been here now for one financial year and we've seen the improvement. Can you tell us what the assessment was last year?
We got an unqualified report, we were very close to getting a clean audit last year. There was just one small technicality which they couldn't necessarily grant us that status. So to us it was an incentive. It was saying, look, we're almost there, let's push it. And we have been in some cases quite hard on our staff to say, let's make sure that we have everything precise and according to the book. And thus far, we've achieved it. And yes, we're not going to sort of take our foot off the pedal. We've certainly got a lot more things to achieve. And if we can keep on doing that, then I think it augurs well for the type of organisation we are, i.e. a partnership between the private sector and government institutions as well.
But I know that when you talk about clean audits and things like that, the general public doesn't really know what it means. It means you've got to watch your expenditure and you've got to spend certain amounts of monies in certain places.
Essentially what it is that you create what we call an annual budget. And you've got to work within the Municipal Finance Management Act, which is a very precise type of regulatory framework which comes from essentially from government, i.e. Treasury. And so they're very stringent, should we say, processes you have to follow in terms of how you spend your money, how you spend it each quarter, how you spend it annually. Is it according to the budget that was approved? If not, is there a record of any adjustment in your budget? So we have half-year reviews and things like that. But over and above that is, if, for example, we say we're going to advertise in X number of publications a year, and we claim that we've advertised in X number of publications a year, they audit it. So when we claim to do something, we have to validate it by the process of what they call basically the evidences, proof of evidence they call it. And so they look at both elements, not just the financials, because financials is a very precise science. The interpretation of how you actually implement what you say you're going to do within your strategy is the big one. And so they've combined the two. It's no longer just finances. It's auditing of what you say you're going to do. And thankfully, we've got a clean audit on both sides of that spectrum. And as I said before, that in a sense reinforces our mandate as a service that we provide for the private sector and also our funding municipalities. Yeah. Our board, we had our board meeting in fact today, and certainly they're very pleased with the outcome. And the Auditor General was very pleased with the outcome, and the chairman of our audit committee was very pleased. So we're obviously doing something right or better than it was last year, and we'll hope to sustain it.
Well done, tourism. Thank you.
Thanks, Bev.